Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your zip code on Cash App card. Forget the zip code for your Cash App card. Here's the simple way to find it using your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and find and tap the Cash App icon to open the app. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This will open your account setting. Scroll down and tap on personal or account setting. Here you will see the restricted or registered addresses. The zip code shows here in the one leg to the Cash App card. You can also tap the card icon at the bottom of the screen. Open your cash or card details. The zip code contained or connected to your address is the one used for card purchases. If the zip code isn't available, go back to your profile, tap on support, then start chat with Cash App support and they will confirm the correct zip code. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.